Being pregnant is one of the most exciting times in a woman's life, but getting through labor can be an intimidating process. Whether it's your first baby or your third, finding out just the right way to induce labor naturally can be tricky. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 remedies that are proven to work. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we post more amazing videos like this in the future. And, here we go. Number 10, movement. Using movement as a natural way to induce labor is an increasingly popular approach among expectant mothers. It has been proven that women who move in the early stages of labor tend to have shorter and less painful labors. Long walks, rocking on a birthing ball, or climbing stairs can help stimulate movement in the pelvis and can put pressure on the cervix, which may increase the chances of inducing labor naturally. As pregnancy progresses, however, these activities should be done with caution, as overly vigorous exercise can cause adverse effects. Proper stretching exercises are important to help maintain flexibility while pregnant and will also aid in relaxation during childbirth. Additionally, staying active throughout pregnancy helps maintain strength and endurance necessary for labor. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine may help improve delivery time and reduce discomfort during contractions. Number 9. Evening primrose oil. The use of evening primrose oil as a labor inducer has been gaining popularity among expecting mothers. This oil, which contains gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, helps soften and ripen the cervix and stimulates uterine contractions. It can be taken orally in capsule form starting at 36 weeks gestation or applied directly to the cervix from week 38 plus. However, it is important to consult with your healthcare provider prior to using evening primrose oil, as there may be risks involved. Movement is another natural way to help induce labor. Walking, rocking on a birthing ball, climbing stairs, and other gentle stretching exercises can aid in stimulating movement within the pelvis while helping to maintain flexibility and strength during pregnancy. Furthermore, staying active throughout pregnancy can help reduce delivery time and minimize discomfort caused by contractions. Therefore, combining evening primrose oil with movement activities may be a great way to try and induce labor naturally. Number 8, swimming. Swimming is a great way to help induce labor naturally, especially in the final weeks of pregnancy. It not only provides a good form of exercise to keep your body strong and healthy during this time, but it can also help position your baby correctly and encourage dilation. The buoyancy of the water can reduce joint and muscle pain associated with pregnancy, offering relief from aches and pains you may be feeling towards the end of your pregnancy. Swimming can also improve circulation, which sends more oxygen to both mother and baby, aiding in the birthing process for both. Number 7, nipple stimulation. Nipple stimulation is a popular and effective method for inducing labor. It works by stimulating the nipples to release oxytocin, a hormone that increases uterine contractions. Nipple stimulation is an easier and safe technique that can be done without medical assistance. However, it is important to speak with your doctor before engaging in nipple stimulation, as the intensity of the contractions can be too much for some women. When done correctly and under professional guidance, nipple stimulation has been shown to provide good results in inducing labor naturally. Number 6, spicy foods. Spicy foods are a great way to induce labor naturally. Eating dishes with mild to moderate levels of spice can cause the uterus to contract in a similar manner to true labor, and help to soften and dilate the cervix. However, it is important not to overindulge in spicy meals, as too much of it may cause discomfort or even harm. Research has suggested that capsaicin, the active compound found in chili peppers, may be responsible for stimulating labor. Therefore, incorporating chili peppers into your diet may be beneficial for inducing labor naturally. Number 5, Rebozo Method. The Rebozo Method is a safe and beneficial natural labor induction technique that has been used for centuries. It involves gentle shaking movements on the pregnant woman's abdomen and pelvis using a rebozo, which is a traditional Mexican shawl or scarf. This helps to release tension in the body, allowing the baby to adjust its position into the optimal alignment for birth. Furthermore, studies have found that this process can influence the opening and shortening of the cervix, while also triggering the release of oxytocin, which is known as the love hormone and plays an important role in childbirth. The calming effects of this technique allow expectant mothers to find comfort during labor and may even help to reduce delivery time. Number 4, raspberry leaf tea. Raspberry leaf tea has long been used as a natural remedy to induce labor in pregnant women. It is thought that its active compounds, such as fragrin and gallic acid, are responsible for its labor-inducing effects. It is believed that drinking raspberry leaf tea can help to soften the muscles and tissues of the cervix and uterus, preparing them for labor. Additionally, drinking raspberry leaf tea from as early as 3 weeks before your due date can help to shorten the dilation period during childbirth and encourages contractions postpartum. Studies have shown that drinking 2 cups of raspberry leaf tea per day can significantly reduce the duration of both labor and delivery. Number 3. Oxytocin. Oxytocin is an essential hormone during labor, as it triggers contractions and helps to initiate the birthing process. In addition to aiding in labor, oxytocin has been linked to many other positive effects such as decreasing stress levels, enhancing maternal-infant bonding, and increasing trust in relationships. To stimulate the release of oxytocin, pregnant women can opt for a prenatal massage or indulge in intimate activities such as kissing and sex. Research suggests that semen contains high amounts of prostaglandins which help soften the cervix even further, thus providing an additional boost for labor induction. Therefore, engaging in these activities just before giving birth can encourage your body to begin the labor process naturally and can help you have an easier delivery experience overall. Number 2. Dates. The health benefits of eating dates during pregnancy are well documented. Consuming 6 dates per day starting from week 36 is beneficial for cervical ripening and shortening of labor. Furthermore, a study showed that pregnant women who ate dates during their pregnancy experienced less pain medication used during labor and delivery compared to those who didn't consume the fruit. Additionally, mothers who ate dates reported quicker labor than those without the extra nutritional supplementation from the natural snack. All in all, consuming dates during pregnancy can not only make labor easier and more comfortable but also produce a healthier outcome for both mother and baby. Number 1. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is a widely used natural labor-inducing remedy that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It involves the use of thin needles inserted into specific spots on the body to stimulate energy flow and promote balance within the body. This helps to soften the cervix, increase blood flow to the uterus, and help initiate contractions. Acupuncture can be an effective way to induce labor, especially when combined with other natural remedies such as acupressure and massage. When done correctly, acupuncture can help reduce pain relief during labor and delivery while promoting a healthy birth experience. Studies have also shown that it can reduce the time of labor by up to 2 hours and decrease the need for medical interventions such as epidurals and C-sections. As with any therapy, make sure your practitioner is certified in acupuncture before beginning treatment. And that's all we have for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop us a comment down below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.